Hello children, welcome back to maths class. Today we will learn what comes before, after and between. Now I will explain, afterwards I will give homework. Before, say the spelling before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Once again spelling B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Next after. A-F-T-E-R. After. Once again after. A-F-T-E-R. After. Next between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. Once again between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. Okay. Today we will learn before. Now tell me children, what do you mean by before? Yeah, what do you mean by before? When we write numbers backward, we will get before numbers. Backward means, backward ante reverse counting. For example, 10 to 9. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This counting, backward counting. What do you mean by before? Before means when we write numbers backward, we will get before numbers. Backward counting we will get before numbers. For example, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Counting, backward counting. Counting from backward counting. For example, dash 4. What comes before 4? Before 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. What comes before 4? Before 4, number 3. Before 4, number 3. Write number here 3. What comes before 6? What comes before 6? Before 6? Before 6? Yeah, before 6, 5 means it is counting backward counting. Backward counting means reverse counting. Backward means reverse. Now here 6. Before 6. Before 6, 5. Before 6, 5. Write number here 5. One more example. 9. What comes before 9? What comes before 9? Before means backward counting. Before means backward counting. What comes before 9? Before 9, 8. Before 9, 8. Okay. Write number here 8. One more example. What comes before 3? What comes before 3? Before means counting, backward counting. Before means counting, backward counting. Before 3. Before 3? Tell me, before 3? Yeah, very good. Before 3, 2. Write number 2. Okay, let's learn after. Let's learn after. Tell me children, what do you mean by after? What do you mean by after? When we count forward, when we count forward for given numbers, we will get after numbers. Means the counting is, in counting it means which counting? Forward counting. Forward counting means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This counting forward counting. Now after means forward counting. When we counting numbers for given numbers, forward counting, we will get after numbers. For example, after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now question, after 5. What comes after 5? After 5, 6. Now this counting, which counting? Forward counting. Now counting is forward counting. Forward counting means 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This counting forward counting. After 5, after 5, 6. Right number here 6. One more example. After 8. After 8, after 8, 9. Means which counting now? This counting forward. Forward means munduku rasa numbers we are counting for forward counting. After 8, 9. One more example, 2. After 2, 3. After 2, 3. One more example, 7. What comes after 7? What comes after 7? Means after means which counting? Forward counting. After means forward counting. Okay, after 7, 8. Right number here 8. Now this counting after. After means forward counting. Now let's learn before. Now let's learn between. Between numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Between 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. 1, 3. Between number 2. Write number 2. One more example. 4 blank 6. Okay. 4 blank 6. Between number 4 and 6. Between number 5. Write number 5. 6 blank 8. 6 and 8. What is the between number? 7. Okay. Now this one is a between. Now before, after and between. Before means backward counting. After forward counting. Between middle number. Children, little homework for you. The number before 2. The number before 2. The next second one. The number between 1 and 3. And third one. The number number, the number after after, after 6. After means which counting? Forward counting. Fourth one. The number the number before 4. Before means which counting? Forward counting. Next, fifth one. The number NUMBER, the number between BETWEEN, between 3 and 6. 3 and 5. Okay, children, this is your maths homework. The number before 2, the number between 1 and 3, the number after 6, the number before 4, the number between 3 and 5. Okay, this is your maths homework. Write neatly. Send it to your class teacher. We will meet next class with another topic. Okay, bye.